going to take a look at this book called Exploring Space. Here is a picture of someone using a telescope. We use a telescope so we could look really far out into space. And this is supposed to be Galileo. He was the first one to use a telescope, and he discovered that the moon was not smooth, but instead bumpy. Have you ever used a telescope before to look into space? Here is a picture of a satellite. In 1957, Russia launched the first satellite into space. It was called Sputnik. Before people went into space, they used to send animals up into space. They sent a dog and a chimpanzee. Can you imagine your pet going into space? And here is a picture of the moon landing. In 1969, Neil Armstrong took the first steps onto the moon. Buzz Aldrin followed. They placed the American flag on the moon. Okay. Here's some pictures of different planets. People soon sent probes to learn about the planets. In 1977, the Voyager probes launched. They took pictures of Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There's Earth. And finally, robots. Robots also helped explore space. 2 rovers landed on Mars in 2004. People controlled them from Earth. The rovers found that Mars likely once had water on it. In the future, astronauts want to go beyond the moon. Mars may be the next stop in space. Where would you explore if you could travel into space? Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that book. Have a good night.